Hi everyone, this is Kelsey at OWL HQ. In this video, we're going to go over two tools you can use to check the readability of your writing. According to California State University Northridge, readability is the ease with which a reader can understand a written text. When written content becomes too technical or the language used is too complex, it can become a problem to all users. So readability is important, especially when you're writing content that will be released to the public, like policies or press releases. Let's go over Microsoft Word first, and then we'll take a look at a tool called Hemingway Editor. In order to see the readability score of your documents in Word, you have to enable a certain setting in the options. With a Word document open, click the File tab, then click Options in the bottom left corner. The Word Options box will appear. Click Proofing in the menu on the left side of the box, then check the box next to Show Readability Statistics, and then click OK to save. To check your document's readability score, click the Review tab in the ribbon, and then click Spelling and Grammar. At the end of the Spelling and Grammar check, a Readability Statistics box will appear, and at the bottom of this box, you'll see two readability scores, the Flesch Reading Ease and the Flesch Kincaid Grade Level. According to Microsoft, the Flesch Reading Ease test rates text on a 100-point scale. The higher the score, the easier it is to understand the document. Microsoft recommends aiming for a score between 60 and 70. Again, according to Microsoft, the Flesch Kincaid Grade Level test rates text on a U.S. school grade level. For example, a score of 8.0 means that an 8th grader can understand the document. Microsoft recommends aiming for a score of approximately 7.0 to 8.0. I'll include the link to the Microsoft support page about readability scores in the video description. Hemingway Editor is an online editor that gives your writing a readability score as well as suggestions for improvement. It highlights adverbs and passive voice, suggests alternatives to complex words, and points out sentences that are hard or very hard to read. Please note that Hemingway is an online tool, and I am unsure about whether it collects or stores what you write in it. Just to be safe, I advise that you refrain from typing or pasting confidential information into Hemingway. Hemingway Editor can be accessed in your web browser by going to hemingwayapp.com. And each time you open Hemingway, it starts you off with some sample text that explains what Hemingway does. On the right side of the screen, there's a panel that shows you the readability of your writing. According to the Hemingway Help webpage, Hemingway judges the grade level of your text using the Automated Readability Index, or ARI. I'll include a link to the Wikipedia page about the ARI in the video description if you want to read more about it. Hemingway also shows you the number of words in your writing. Click Show More underneath the word count to see more helpful statistics such as reading time. Below that is a key that helps you understand what each highlighted color means. A blue highlight indicates an adverb. Green is use of passive voice. Purple means that there is a word that has a simpler alternative. Yellow means a sentence is hard to read. And red means that a sentence is very hard to read. To use Hemingway, we first need to delete this sample text. Use your mouse to highlight all of it, including the heading at the top, and then press backspace on your keyboard. Press backspace again, and now you should see a message that says type or paste something to get started. You can type directly into Hemingway Editor, or you can take text from an existing document and paste it into Hemingway. For this video, I am going to paste a script that I wrote for a previous video. Hemingway will then highlight your text with suggestions. The goal now is to edit the text so that the highlights disappear. For example, if you have a blue highlight indicating an adverb, you can choose a different word or delete the adverb entirely, and the blue highlight will go away. If you have a red highlight, meaning the sentence is very hard to read, try removing words or splitting the sentence up into 2 or more sentences until the highlight goes away. Keep in mind that if Hemingway is closed or your internet goes out for any reason, you could lose your work. So once you're happy with the finished product, highlight the text, copy it, and then you can paste it into something more permanent like a Word document. And that is it for this video about assessing the readability of your writing. I hope it's been helpful, and thank you for watching.